Good morning or magandang umaga. Today is Tuesday and we're going to continue our learning Tagalog body parts. And on this video, we're going to learn the internal organs. And I have my words here just to make sure I won't forget something. And also, they are listed on the About section below, so you could go and look at the words now and practice the words with me. Our first word would be the liver, and that is atay. Atay. Next word, the heart or puso. Puso. Next, we have the blood or dugo. Dugo. And next, the tendon or litid. Litid. And next, we have the bones or buto. Buto. And the lalamunan, munan, that's the throat. Lalamunan. And we have the saliva or laway. Laway. And I already mentioned this on the previous video, which is utak or the brain. Utak. Utak. And next word is the intestines or bituka. 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 And then we have the veins, which is ugat. Ugat. And the tendon, litid. Litid. Baga is the lungs. Baga. Baga. And I think that's it. So let's do a quick review. Atay. That's the liver. Atay. And the heart is puso. 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 And we have the blood, which is dugo. Dugo. And the throat is lalamunan. 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 We have the intestines or bituka. 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 And utak. That's the brain. Utak. And we have the bones or buto. Buto. Saliva is laway. Laway. The blood is dugo. Dugo. And the veins, ugat. Ugat. And lungs is baga. Baga. And our skin covers all these body parts and the internal organs. And the skin is balat. Balat. That's it for today. Bye-bye.